Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this OPL. Ophthalmic Premier League, as you all know, has been around for a couple of years, and we have obviously certain trophies for the winners. The rules of the games are that there will be 4 teams, and out of the 4 teams, there will be a captain and 3 other players. All 4 of the people are going to be given a collective time of 18 minutes. And after that 18 minutes, they will not be given any extra time. And after that, we have the judges and the audience checking out as to what is going to be the best presenters. So we have trophies. So the trophies that we have would be the winners, and that will be the audience best team. So audience will have the best team. There will be a runner-up by the audience. There are going to be judges, and judges are open to receiving money in oil, bitcoins, dollars and pounds and Indian rupee. Rupe, आपने किस में देना है? आपने किस में देना है?
Sir, I Foundation has decided to give 1% to all the judges.
1% share of what? 1% of what? Of what? PAT, PBT, EBITDA, revenue. Total revenue. Good. And how much is your contribution? Have you become a part of Avi Foundation? No, he. Okay, so then the other trophies would be the winner, the individual winners, and individual winners would be, one would be a winner for best entertaining video. So please look at it from an entertaining video, and then there will be the best scientific content. So this is fun and floric, so you have to have people who are giving you fun and people who are giving you real science. So there will be runners up for that, both by the audience and by the judges. So just an introductory video, and then I'll have the judges on the table. Yeah, क्या इसको लगाना यार?
Have the video.
Light come. Yeah. नम्रता यही है.
हो गया है दिल, दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल, खली बली हो गया है दिल, दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल। पापा को बैंड बजाएं, प्रिंसिपल खुद बढ़ जाएं,
इसको बोल्ड कर दे, बोल्ड कर दे, बोल्ड कर दे।
हर पल बस ये चिल्लाएं, तुम गधे हो, अभी तुम्हें नॉलेज नहीं है, हमसे पंगा लेने वाली अभी तुम्हारी एज नहीं है। Whatever we do, पापा तो बैंड बजाएं, पापा तो बैंड बजाएं, पापा तो बैंड बजाएं।
वो गैम्बो खुश हुआ।
Well, friends, can I have the starting? Can we have the umpires on the dais? Professor Lahane, please. Harbans Lal, Dr. Vinod Arora, Suresh, Amit Porwal, Dr. Gupta, BNR, is he there? आप भी बन गए अंपायर? आ जाओ. लोग सेल्फ अपॉइंट अंपायर बन गए, पैसे पहले मिल गए हैं? कैसे बन गए अपॉइंट? चलो आइए ताश वाला. कोई और अंपायर बनाए खुद? सेल्फ अपॉइंटेड अंपायर. ताश वाला तो सेल्फ अपॉइंटेड है भाई। टीम वालों, आपको कोई इतराज तो नहीं है ताश वाला पे?
ताश वाला
तुमने बनाया?
दादा भाईपाल, ताश वाला asked me, I have been offered 5 lakh rupees for a
Bhai.
team. He has been offered 5 lakh rupees, so he requested me to be on the judge. He will share his money with us.
यार एक सेंटर पे आ जाओ, इनको बेटे सबको एक कागज या वो कुछ लिखने के लिए और वो दे दो, पेन। ओके, एक बीच में आ जाओ। ओके, कैन वी स्टार्ट? कैन आई हैव द कैप्टन्स प्लीज ऑन द डायस और द टीम्स? वी हैव चेन्नई कैप्सूल मोहन राजन। मोहन राजन, you were to be disqualified, right? Why? You have won 54. How many OPLs? 80. 80. That's equivalent to the 3 short of my centers. Okay, so Mohan Rajan's team is Mohan, Manpreet, Gaurav and Anaga. So he has the beauties with him, right?
Absolutely.
Great. Can we have the team members on the dais, please?
Team members or captains?
Captain भी आ जाओ यार, टीम के कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। So this is Chennai Capsules. Can we have Delhi Divide and Conquer, Professor Titial? अरे एक्चुअल तो ट्रॉफीज उसमें है। वेल एक मिनट, ऑडियंस, there are 6 things for you. I don't know what is in there. आजकल बॉम्ब होक्स का जमाना है, मुझे मालूम नहीं है इसमें क्या लाए हैं, बट ये ऑडियंस क्वेश्चन आएंगे हर स्लॉट के पीछे। सो द वन हु आंसर्स द फर्स्ट विल गेट दिस। सो कैन आई हैव डेली डिवाइड एंड कॉन्कर? टिटियाल, नम्रता को डॉक्टर केपीएस मलिक ने किडनैप कर लिया है। चित्रा, रामामूर्ति एंड संतोष, सो दे ऑल्सो हैव 2 ब्यूटिफुल मिसेस, नो लेडीज। ओके, कैन द अदर टीम? कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स, पार्था बिस्वास। ऊपर आ जाओ यार, एक फोटो ले लेते हैं। पार्था विश्वास, राजेश सिन्हा, प्रशांत बावनकुले एंड कीर्ति। तो आप अंपायर्स को मिल लीजिएगा। मुंबई मल्टीफोकल, राम, श्रीनिवास, राघव एंड शिवानी। ओके, सो जस्ट अ पिक्चर बिफोर वी स्टार्ट। ओए तो ये पहले तो पैसे देते हैं, फिर मारपीट करते हैं। चलिए, ओके, जस्ट अ ग्रुप पिक्चर प्लीज। बिटकॉइन। अंपायर सर, आप भी खड़े हो जाओ प्लीज। चलो यार, एक हैं? हाँ, सर अंपायर्स भी खड़े हो जाओ प्लीज, एक फोटो ले लें पहले। अंपायर्स आ जाओ। आप नीचे आ जाओ प्लीज, नीचे आ जाओ। ओ वाओ, आओ सर, मैं पीछे आगे आ जाओ। चलो ठीक है, आ जा यार, इधर आ जा, बेटर आ जाएगी। कम आ जाओ। ओके फ्रेंड्स, yes, thank you. So captains please stay back. अरे यार अभी क्या, अभी फोन की फोटो। आओ कैप्टन्स प्लीज। मोहन राजन, योर पिक। राम, पार्था, 2 उठाए, एक देना।
Already has taken the trophy also.
Okay, who starts first? Who's number 1?
I'm number 3.
3. This is 4. The 1. Mohan Rajan, the star. He always wants to be the last, but he is first today. जैसे मर्जी कर लो यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है। हाँ, 10 में से कर लो। Best team, runner-up team, then best entertainer, best scientific content, individual. ठीक है सर? Okay, can we start please? ओके, मोहन, ये जो मोहन है ना, मोहन प्यारे,
Pens please, pen.
ओनली 18 मिनट्स। ये देखो गौरव 18
You
मिनट।
want to add one more center, Rajan Aikar? I got 4 centers.
वेयर?
83 plus 4. I'll give it to you now.
Mohan, please stick to your time. भैया 18 मिनट करना है. 18.
Wait.
Okay, everyone is ready? मेरे को यार 2-3 हैंड माइक एक दे देना, एक इधर दे दो, दो अच्छा इधर है, मेरे को दे देना. Mohan, why are you so disorganized यार? तू यार तब तक एक क्वेश्चन ही पूछवा ले. वो तू दिखा दे ना.
Check the volume, please.
चलो 1 मिनट दिखाओ. Since Mohan, are you ready or can I ask one question? Okay. So this is a question for all retina surgeons. दिखा भाई. ये बंदा मेरे पास आया था.
1 minute.
उसको लैटिस एक मिनट.
No, I'm not starting.
तो मैंने कहा बराज लेजर करा दो, वो मगर इलेक्शन से पहले इंग्लैंड चला गया.
Can I have my computer, please?
बहुत साल VR सर्जरी करा के आया लैटिस के लिए. तो ये बंदा कौन है? यार तू अच्छा नाम बता दो यार. वो तू दिखा तो दे. बंदा कौन है? जल्दी हाथ. ये राघव चड्डा. गुड. अब भाई उससे पहले करा. ये मेरे स्कूल का है और बदमाश है. परिणीति का पति है, तुमको पता है?
पार्टिसिपेंट को नहीं, ऑडियंस को मिलना चाहिए.
चल वापस कर.
It should be given to the audience. It should be given to the audience.
Okay, chalo. Anyway, are you ready now? Okay, good. Can we start? So anyway, he underwent a VR surgery, so to say, in England, but I don't know. He had only a lattice, reportedly. वो ED के डर से.
Friends. Okay.
Start 18 minutes. Okay.
Chennai capsules. Tighten your seatbelts. You will not see videos like this in your life. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Thank you for the 81st OPL victory already. Change is the only constant. Chief ministers in Tamil Nadu change every year, every day. Yesterday Jayalalitha, today Stalin, tomorrow Rajinikanth or even Mohan Rajan. Change in ophthalmology. We are going to talk about sex change, exchange, interchange, trans change, place change, color change. Richie Richards to Rennie Richards, the Ace Davis Club player, who did very well. Maipal was very unfriendly with me, but when I changed the sex, he became very friendly with me. Okay, this is my wife change, and this is Kajal Agarwal is my life change. Okay. Now two patients, same name, Lakshmi Narasimhan, brother and sister. Lakshmi Narasimhan and Lakshmi Narasimhan. Same day, same surgery. For the brother, the sister's lens was put. For the sister, the brother's lens was put. Sex change was occurring. 16 diopter instead of 28 diopter for the brother. 12 diopter was added for the brother. For the sister, what we did a sex change. That is called the exchange of the lens. What we do, exchange of the lens, we go in and put an IOL scaffold there. I'm talking science as well. Please understand very clearly what is happening here. See this IOL scaffold and put the lens up and then put an IOL there underneath that and then go ahead and remove the lens. That is called the sex change of the sister. What is this color change? Pre-operative black cataract, post-operative white cornea. Okay, trans change. Okay, I'm trying to put a lens, wound assisted lens. You can see here it is getting stuck. It is not going inside, not coming out. What I do immediately, you have to use your common sense. What I do is I put another lens, I make another incision and put a lens through the other incision here. You can see here, that lens is hanging out across the eye. That is called the trans change. Okay? You can see here, there's no change at all. Pre-operative, mature cataract, post-operative, opacified IOL, recurrent mature cataract. Revolutionary change, bilateral simultaneous cataract surgeons. Bilateral simultaneous cataract surgery you would have done, but bilateral simultaneous cataract surgeons. Same time we are doing two surgeons in Rajan Eye Care, same time. One eye, I'm doing the right eye, he is doing the left eye. You can see here, first time in the world. Give a big round of applause for this. First time in the world, bilateral simultaneous cataract surgery by bilateral simultaneous cataract surgeons. Place change. You see, extraocular cataract extraction. You can see the phaco seal. And there's an intraocular eyelash which I took from the eye. You can see here, the intraocular eyelash, this is the place change. Position change. As soon as the nucleus dropped, I fall down. You can see here, I fall down. And then I had to, when the microscope, when the table went up, I had to do what is called the standard tease phaco. When the table went up and got stuck as well. See change. You can see here an aniridia lens. Aniridia with a traumatic subluxated cataract. From aniridia, iridia, 0 micron or O micron. At the time of COVID we did this. Okay, 3 millimeter, 2 millimeter pinhole pupilloplasty, 0 micron pupillary managing. 3 IOLs for a change. What is 3 IOLs for a change? First IOL, second IOL, anterior chamber IOL, then an acreose IOL, a single piece rigid IOL, all from the same eye. Apart from that, the patient had a CTR and a nucleus also. 3 IOLs for
Start
change.
the whistles.
This is a game changer for you. This is nothing but Manpreet, come on. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Give a big hand for Chennai Capsules. Come on, guys. We are the best.
हेलो
ये चेंज कर दो यार. चेंज करो ना. सिग्नल क्यों नहीं आ रहा? Anaga, are you ready?
Sir, the audiovisual team has a problem. They can't run it on Zoom laptop. I'll go if you're not ready.
For future teams, sir, we can tell everybody, the remaining team, to put all the presentation one laptop only to save time.
इसको ऑन करो यार.
Okay, so we start. I
Yes.
take you through phakic eye twist and turn. So a 23-year-old was planned for bilateral implantation of toric implantable polymer lens at 1 degree axis. So the lens implantation, as you can see, was going on pretty smoothly. The haptics were tucked beneath the iris and lens was aligned along the final degree of 1 degree along the horizontal axis, as we know, bimanual aspiration. Expectation was a well-aligned toric ICL. Reality, an ICL stated 90 degree with a post-operative vision of 20/60, adequate vault of 677 microns on post-operative day 1. So what do we do now? What we learned was an ICL rotation in the correct eye. OVD was injected and the patient marked the correct axis again, rotated the ICL slightly along the correct axis of 1 bimanual aspiration was done. So as we are hydrating the room, what we see is the ICL that is consistent position and is rotating like 5 satellite all in Diwali. So Diwali is coming and you can see that we are having Diwali in the eye. Eye again, gently left the phakic eye along the correct axis of 1 degree. Hydration has already been performed. So what we left on table was a well-aligned phakic eye.
कुछ नहीं करना.
क्या समझ कर आए थे कि सरदार बहुत खुश होगा
शाबाशी देगा क्यों?
Day 1 of the rotation, we had a vision of 20 by 40 adequate wall, but ICL have rotated again. So we planned for an ICL exchange with a one size larger making iron. The new axis now was 5 degree clockwise, and we made a new 3.2 mm incision, put in a dispersive OVD to protect the endothelium and a cohesive OVD beneath the making iron to protect the anterior lens capsule. The haptics were exteriorized from beneath the iris, and the ICL was gently rotated along the target axis along the incision, so it's easier to take out. Now one tip is to grasp the pupil from beneath in between the two haptics so that you do not trigger the lens. It comes out very easily with an ICL grasping forces with a handshake technique, hand on hand. And as you can see, the making iron is out without damaging the endothelium or the anterior lens capsule. Now proceeding with the new ICL, the one size larger one, was 10 degree of breeze. When this smoothly, the haptics were then dubbed in beneath the iris.
Thank you, Manpreet. What lovely science. Woe to Anaga.
Friends, this is something which you may have never seen in your life. In our experience, you may have faced challenges, very risky and multiple challenges. So this was a patient who was a one-eyed patient who came to us with a mature intumescent cataract and an IOP of 50 which was not responding to maximum medical therapies. The patient went from pillar to post but was refused surgery everywhere. And he came to us, one-eyed patient with a pressure of 50. Look at this ASOCT. You may have heard of shallow anterior chambers, but this is a zero anterior chamber. You can see the iris totally plastered to the corneal endothelium. Look at the lens thickness. The entire lens, you can see the number of clefts there. Intumescent cataract, so multiple challenges. A wide intumescent cataract, zero anterior chamber depth, small pupil, and an IOP of 50. So we first put in a little bit of viscoelastic, formed the anterior chamber, broke off the anterior synechae, broke off the posterior synechae, and now we washed off the viscoelastic and stained the anterior capsule with trypan blue. Now we had a small pupil. So we went in with the iris hooks. As we put in the iris hooks, we saw that the pressure again started mounting up. So we used the passive vitreous decompression technique with the port. And now we were able to make an excellent capsulorhexis. You can see how the cornea was hazy, studded with iris pigments. But wow, look at the capsulorhexis. This was so important in this case. And then a very meticulous phacoemulsification. There could have been so many problems. The Rex is running out, PCR happening, the high IOP, poor visibility, but we could overcome all these challenges. And then, as we put in the single piece IOL, we found that the entire bag was wobbly. And then we thought that we have to support this bag. So we put in a CTR so that we don't have a subluxation of the bag with the lens later. In goes the CTR, and now we are removing the iris hooks. So we thought that yes, now we have overcome the challenges of this cataract, and we also now checked whether there was any amount of vitreous present. So after a good wash of the viscoelastic, we are also checking with diluted tricot, and we also did a surgical PI. So we thought yes, with this, definitely we can give a very good outcome to the patient. This was the end of the surgery, and yes, definitely there was a good outcome. The vision improved to almost 6 by 60 the second day post-op. But friends, picture abhi baki hai. 14th day, pressure again shot up to 50, not responding to maximum medical therapy. Remember, this was a one-eyed patient and we cannot leave him with a pressure of 50. Now we have another challenge, and yes, we look at these challenges in the eye and go back and do an AGV. So the AGV was primed with a 27 gauge cannula with BSS. The tip was put into the anterior chamber, 2 to 3 millimeters, and the wound was closed, the conjunctiva was closed, and at the end of the surgery, you can see that the pressure has dropped to 14 millimeters, the vision improved to 6/60, and this patient had excellent ambulatory vision. This was a one-eyed patient where we could give him excellent functional vision. So friends, when you are faced with these challenges, you change your direction to reach your goal. You do not change your decision to get there. Thank you so much.
Fantastic. And over to Dhoni of Chennai Capsules. Gaurav.
Okay, so in July I was with Dr. Maipal in Chennai and he says, Gaurav, OPL rakh raha hu tere ko, to tayari kar le acche se. This is just before I was going to do live surgery in Chennai at OPL, and then when I go to do live surgery at Dr. Amar's place, I meet outside Mohan Raj and he says, Gaurav, you are in my team, so you better prepare well. So I said, okay. We went in for doing surgery and I started my case. This is Chennai effect and Mohan Rajan effect. I just started my surgery and I said, black brown cataract Dr. Amar has given me. And as I was starting to operate it, I suddenly realized something happened. And it was the Mohan Rajan effect, which always happens in Chennai. My tip broke. And I said, wow, you know, in Chennai all these things happen and it's, you know, so funny. So anyway, so this was the jinx, how it started, and then next stop was in Coimbatore, and my dear friend, other team captain, Dr. Ramamurthy says, Gaurav, welcome to my place. He's holding me, come and operate at my place, and he also knows that I'm in at the OPL. So he offers me a case on his catalyst, and he says that, Gaurav, I've kept a femtocataract for you, so please go ahead, and it's a, you know, very easy case for you, so don't worry, everything will go well. So I said, great, nothing to worry, and I just, you know, finished the catalyst as a routine case. I go to the OT and I just put in the visco and I realized there is no rhexis. The nucleus has been, there's good nucleotomy, there's no rhexis. And he had programmed the catalyst. He again knew that I'm coming for OPL in Dehradun and, you know, better not allow him to make a good video. So I see that there's no rhexis made by the catalyst. So a take-home lesson for those who do laser cataract surgery, your machine will not always give you what you want. Sometimes it can go crazy and you will not get a rhexis. So considering that it's very safe. Next stop was in Calcutta.
You can stop it, but you can say that it will not.
And he says, Gaurav, I've kept a very, very easy case for you, don't worry. And it turns out to be a posterior polar. He said, don't worry, you do the catalyst and I will give you a perfect case, there's nothing to worry. So I go ahead, I operate, and you know, it looks very easy. I do a, you know, hydrodelineation and I go through with the single pie removal and the second. It's a fairly soft cataract. I use all the techniques, remove all the nucleus fragments, and then I go with, you know, kind of debulking the cortex so that I leave the last part, you know, over there. And I've done great, you know, I thought I've done a great surgery, and Partha, you know, congratulating me from behind and everything. And I finally able to get all that out, and now I was very happy, and on OCT I checked that everything is looking very nice, and now my case is over. So I decided that, okay, I have to shut down this case now, everything is gone well, everybody is clapping, and then I just kind of, you know, closing the last port, and there goes, and Partha had just put some magic over there, and I get this big PC break on the posterior pole. Last stop was in Nagpur, Prashant Babankule, and he gives me this. He says, Gaurav, I wanted to keep a tough case for you. Nobody else wants to do this. Can you please do this for me? I said, okay, let me try. It's a one-eyed patient, and you know, he's just kept this funny thing, and you can see that how it is stuck on his OCT. So I decide to go ahead. I stain. I then decide to make a space for myself. I, you know, kind of use the micro scissors and break all the adherent leucoma over there. And there's a big central corneal opacity, and then there's a you know, phacodonesis over there, and there's a calcified into a capsule. I try to make sense of it. I use the micro scissors and I, you know, cut across those fibrosed capsules. And once I'm through with that, and then, you know, this guy is standing behind me smiling that I to isko phasa diya maine, ye kya karega. So anyway, I make my space and I create a big capsulotomy. There's no point proceeding with phaco here. So I decide to do an extra capsular, good old. And this is a one-eyed patient. I can't take any risks. I didn't want to proceed with a hard brown cataract with a phaco. I put in a you know, suture this, and then I inject a lens. This is a 3-piece lens into the bag. and everything seems to be going well. I do good suturing after many years. So this guy was very disappointed, and I finished off with this man. Next day he was able to see, and he could talk to me and said that thank you so much for saving my sight, and with that, that's our team.
Fantastic, Gaurav. Friends, that is Chennai Capsules for you, a combination of science, fun, and everything you wanted. Don't waste your time. Tea and snacks are served outside. Please go and enjoy your rest of the day. Don't waste your time for the rest of the 3 teams.
Okay, Mohan. Yeah. So, Ram, क्या यार ये machine में his tech puts off the capsule or X's and he breaks the. Those who are standing behind, please come forward, and he blames the machine, right? कोयम्बटूर machine. वो शेर दिखा रही है, कौन है भाई? शेर नहीं आ रही है। भाई जंगल में सिर्फ एक शेर होता है, वो मैं हूँ। और क्या था? और किससे? मोहन का तो कुछ कहना ही नहीं है, उसका है ही नहीं। और ये आप प्रोफेसर बन गए? ओ यार, आप प्रोफेसर बन गई हैं? नहीं बनोगे भी नहीं, आपको साइज भी लेना नहीं आता, इसको लेंस का साइज भी लेना नहीं जाता। राम, यू वांट टू कमेंट? आजा यार मोहन, कम, ही विल टॉक समथिंग ना फॉर यू। या
आई थिंक व्हाट वी नीड इज अ चेंज फ्रॉम मोहन। ही टॉक्ड अबाउट एक्सचेंज, free change,
आगे आ जाओ।
this change. But one thing that has not changed is his videos. 83rd, but we are still seeing the same thing over and over again. 81, huh? This is 81.
आगे आ जाओ।
So this guy, whatever the video you did not show, I follow show. But the same broken needle and this thing. Huh?
That Taramurthy, that's time now. You should have came a certificate that we have not presented this video last OPL.
All things I have done so many LRCS cases, never.
Mohan, you are not rebutting anything, na?
Capsular excess.
What?
It happens to you.
चलो, anyway, हो गया मोहन, you are done.
What he did not show.
You are done.
Was it faking?
You are done.
Manpreet starts showing that. Of course. Naturally the pressure will be there.
Okay. So you Tamil Nadu guys, go on the side and talk to each other. Okay. Okay, friends. So these prizes again, next one for anybody are sponsored by BVI. So ये तो प्रणीति थी, मगर हमारे जमाने की एक हार्ट थ्रॉब थी, हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा। अरे उसकी सर्जरी कौन सी हुई है? और नई सर्जरी कौन सी हुई है? क्वेश्चन तो सेज हेयर। ओ क्वेश्चन था व्हाट सर्जरी हैज शी अंडरगॉन? जीनत अमान तो जीनी बेबी तो सबको पता है यार, तो रागिनी टोल्ड बिफोर यू। ये मोहन ये टोसिस हुआ कैसे था बता? मजर खान कौन था? हर हस्बैंड। उसने क्या करा था? अरे पीटा था उसको। Anyway, so that's okay. So can we go on to the next team? Santosh, why didn't you do the correction? No, but your increment is stopped for this year. क्यों? ठीक है? अच्छा। So I am taking all your 4 centers and you are taking him. What nonsense. Okay, let us go on to the next team. Partha, are you ready? Oh, Kolkata. Oh, okay. Big round of applause for Partha's team. Big round of applause for what Mohan presented. एक सेकंड, 1 सेकंड बेटे, टाइमर 18 मिनट, 1 सेकंड, 18 मिनट्स करो। नहीं, ओके। Okay, you watch their videos properly and you have to comment on them. Okay? Disqualified. I'll give you the mic, but don't use it before 18 minutes. पार्था, क्या यार चेयरमैन साइंटिफिक कमेटी था तू? अरे टाइमर चालू हो गया। Rewind. Rewind.
जो वेदना जो
अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे
Time start करो.
जैसे धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो बाजे जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो
हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो वेदना जो
अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे डोर छोड़ नाचो रोट मोटा मिर्च खा के ऐसे नाचो
और नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो 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 बिच्छू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो
Thank you for the entertaining dance.
Only that is there, that's all. हो गया.
यार ये एक एक साइड पे कर दिया करो ना. नहीं नहीं वो तो सेम पे एक से दूसरा चेंज करना. ओके.
I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets.
To us, a 5-year-old girl with bilateral microcornea and glaucoma, vision of 624 PR accurate in the only seeing eye. Since the IOP was very high, 36/48, but the disc was 0.3 cupping in the right eye, left eye was 0.9, a bilateral MMC augmented trab and trap was done.
25 दिन बाद आता है, ठीक है भाई?
We called the patient back, but lost to follow up for 7.5 years. Why didn't she come back to us? She came to us with high IOPs of 38. Mind you, in the only seeing eye, vision was still preserved, but the cupping had progressed. Since the sclerostomy was partially blocked, internal revision with MMC needling was planned.
I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine.
The IOP was controlled for 2 weeks, but the IOP
बेटा
again
नीचे आओ.
increased.
बेटा नीचे आओ. देखिए बेटा.
Pressure again rose up. Put our thinking caps on. What next? Retrap or a glaucoma drainage device? Because of affordability issues, microcornea and phakic eye, we went for a repeat trabeclectomy. As you can see, grade 4 fibrosis was seen. Mitomycin was diligently
तो उसने पहले वीडियो तो दिखा दी इतना बड़ा.
section was done.
अजंता का बोल देता हूँ दोबारा.
A trapezoidal flap was made, hoping
बोल देता
that
हूँ.
a posterior flow of aqueous would happen this time. 2 releasables, surrogate releasables, because we were not sure of the cooperation of the patient and follow-up was a query. And the surgery went off well. IOP next day was 8, vision was stable, bleb was well formed. AC was a little shallow, but we thought it's okay. However, she comes However, we required AC reformation again. It did not work first time. Second, again it failed. Oh my God. IOP was 4 millimeters, still low. What to do? Our situation was silly babies. What to do now? We thought of to save the macula. We tried compression sutures with 10-0 nylon, 5 sutures. These were taken with episteral bites and steral hitching so as to buttress the overfiltering diffuse bleb. These compression sutures we hoped would work, and let's see what happened. We reformed the anterior chamber and put a suture there too. Thankfully, day 1 the IOP was formed, vision was stable, AC started to form again, and these are the compression sutures in position. In ASOCT, the bleb is thinner, and
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा.
that's what I hope.
दिल है छोटा.
The child will remain, but what happened additional was there was a cup reversal back to 0.3 from 0.9. So what did we have? Trab and trap doing well, lost to follow up for a girl child, very common. Retrap done, post-op hypotony management.
कि लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there. I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there. I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there. I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there. I'll be there for the highs and lows. Give you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone. I will be there. I'll be there for the highs and lows.
And the pupil was drawn towards the opacity. There was no synechiate, it was all free. It was a developmental anomaly. And then the surrounding area of the opacity also has a haze, so it covered the whole of pupil. On cycloplegic refraction, the child had a -14 diopter sphere with -2 diopter of cylinder in one eye, and the other eye was emmetrope 20/20. So we made a diagnosis of kerectopia with vascularized leukomatous corneal opacity, with anisometropia, with amblyopia. It was a tricky situation.
Next question,
and we had to think something for the child. The lens was also clear. What to do? So we thought of a surgical plan. This is how the patient's eye looked like. The opacity to the pupil drawn onto the one side. But the pupil could dilate. So we thought of placing a phakic implant and then close the pupil that is underneath the opacity and create a pupil in the central part. So this is how, by doing a single pass 4-throw pupiloplasty, we could do that, and then we plan to enlarge the pupil in the central area so that the patient's visual axis is clear, the patient can have a central area to see. The surgery was performed under general anesthesia. This is how it was done. The pupil could dilate well, so we placed a phakic implant in the eye. The foot plates were tucked behind the iris, and once it was done, the viscoelastic was removed from both anterior and from behind the wall. Then some more viscoelastic was injected above the ICL, and then single pass 4-throw pupiloplasty was done to close the peripheral pupil. Mind you, this is a dilated pupil, that's why this pupil is looking a little there in the center. If it was not dilated, it would have gone completely behind the opacity. And then after completing the single pass 4-throw pupiloplasty, now we had to enlarge the pupil. We just had to cut the sphincter so that that area gets free, that area pulls up the pupil. And this is how it looked like in the post-op period. On post-op day 1, the uncorrected visual acuity was 624 partial. The pupil was in the center. The lens was absolutely clear. The ICL was in place. The peripheral iris opening was closed completely with the sutures. No significant anterior chamber reaction. The child was comfortable, was opening the eyes. ICL vault was 376 microns. Then on day 7, the visual acuity further improved. It improved to 624, and then amblyopia therapy was started. And on day 27, the visual acuity was 612 partial, the pupil in the center, lens was clear, vault was 409. So this was the pre-operative picture. You can see that, hardly anything there. And this is the post-op picture, 612 partial and still improving. And this video the child was very happy. And this video won the Best of Show award at the American Academy of Ophthalmology this year in 2024. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Mohan Rajan, Professor Tityal, and Namrata Sharma for clapping for this video. You should have bowed down to this video. Yes. So the next, we are all science. The first, only our dance was non-science. Dr. Mohan Rajan says all nonsense, and we are only science. So here I'm going to share with you a patient who was in a lot of pain throughout her life. This is a patient with oculocutaneous albinism, and this patient went on with thick dark glasses everywhere she went, and at one point of time she had cataract. So what do we do to this cataract? We have to do this cataract with all its difficulties. The bag is an unstable bag, so we did a femtosecond laser cataract and took off the capsule, which is something not very difficult, but we also stained this capsule to be very sure that there would be no runouts. And
you both go there.
Gradually we could see that the bag was unstable, so we had to do something for this bag to stabilize it. But that was not the main thing. We had all the gadgets, all the equipment in place, we had devices, and we could see that this is a soft cataract, nothing much to be done. But of course the bag has to be stabilized as much as possible to place
Next to
not
yours.
only the intraocular lens, but also reconstruct the double. So we would be using reconstruct the pupil reconstruction ring. And once we have everything done, the lens is a semi-decent lens that we placed in. And once that was it, it's quite stable as of now. And it's gone nicely in the bag. The next thing that we have to place is the reconstruction rings. These are very brittle rings. We have to be very, very careful. We knew that there could be problems, but the first set of the ring did go in very smooth. And it went in absolutely the bag. The lens was very much in place. We had the CTR in place as well. And of course now ready for the next ring. So the next ring has to overlap between the flanges that overlap between the flanges that overlap. Look at that. So what we have is a broken flange. And not one, but two broken flanges. And as I said, little rings, they do not, the manufacturer does not supply extra rings. And we have to be very careful while doing it. So it goes in. We try to see if the other flange is fine, but we also notice that the edge is a very sharp edge. So while putting in that flange, if I puncture the capsule, all is lost. And we will have to avoid this case or put it as a misapplied piece. So we place it in very gingerly and having high molecular weight viscoelastic right inside so that it's a deep chamber, it's a deep capsular bag, well inflated and inflated. But what do I do to these two flanges that are lost already? And that would mean that there would be gaps in the flanges. So we have to do something for that. Let's remember the basic anatomy. The eye and the pupil is covered in the superior aspect by the lid, superior lid. So we position the broken flanges superiorly. Inferiorly, the flanges overlap each other absolutely fine. And we remove the viscoelastic. We put it up, and in the post-operative period, this is what she is. Thank you very much for your patience.
That was fantastic, Dr. Partha. What a way to manage. And now we have Dr. Prashant Bavankule with an excellent video.
Thank you. So Gaurav was quite angry when I gave him a complicated case, and so last year when I visited Dehradun for their annual conference, he had to give me more tougher. And here is what next. He gave me a case of an old man. This is a 32 years myopic patient who complained of progressive loss of vision. High myope had undergone RK at 16 years and a PRK scar at the center, said corneal opacity, great nuclear sclerosis, and a myopic fundus with an axial length of 29.17 millimeter with an epiretinal membrane. So here the challenge was we had a cataract. We had to remove epiretinal membrane in an eye which had an RK scar, the fear of dehiscence, the central PTK scars, corneal haze, and an axial length of 29 millimeters. So the dilemma here was, should I operate or not? We had to gather all our resources here, like Captain America, and we decided
What do we do, Cap? We fight.
So the first was corneal scar. So like Captain Hawk, we had to pull back the sleeves, pull back the incision, we made it more clear, so that we prevent the dehiscence. And similarly, even the side boards were placed in between the thing. Now the second challenge was the corneal scar. We had to use certain lighting of this Captain Marvel. So we used 26-inch chandelier. But in spite of letting it not see the cancer, and without using under retroillumination, the whole rexis was managed. And now the cataract had to manage through that corneal scar as well as RK scars. And under retroillumination, as you can see, like core and cracking the nucleus and completing the lens, and complete cortex cilium was managed, and so was the next. So this was as easy under retroillumination as that. Now under 3D illumination, 3D vitrectomy system, the visualization was possible of the vitrectomy in spite, and this is all also the 3D visualization system. Now challenge number 4 was to do epiretinal membrane in a myopic eye, where because of choroidal sclerosis you cannot see the epiretinal membrane. All we had to change the color and form of the membrane, multiple times staining of the internal membrane. We used the filter of epiretinal, which helped us in better visualization of the epiretinal membrane. But the challenge here was, now we could see the membrane, but we could not reach out with our standard vitreous forceps. So like Spider-Man, we had to increase our to the switch and improve, reach out to the membrane. We used the long axis 45 millimeter vitreous forceps, and we could, and this is at close to 2 months, 6/9 vision with near normal restoration of a contour. So, friends, sometimes like Captain America, you have to draw the resources from all the equipment, sometimes technology, and then when the war, even under Thank you.
Thank you. That was fantastic, and that was Kolkata Knight Riders for you, ladies and gentlemen.
Partha, ये जो Mohan is there ना, he is totally dejected.
No.
You called him nonsense.
Absolutely.
What about him?
No.
Audience votes, huh? You want audience votes?
Kolkata Knight Riders requires double disqualification.
Double.
One, they took the cup before the event.
given
Second thing, for the nonsense, wasting our time. Wasting our time and energy. You bloody fellows, I'm telling you. First one, Kirti. It was a glaucoma documentary. By mistake, she has come into this hall. It is in the opposite room, madam. Number one, Doordarshan documentary. Number two, I know because I was in American Academy last week.
He did get a prize.
Like Donald Trump, all the Americans have also become. Friends, how do you touch the tip of the nose with your right index finger to tell me like this or like this? This fellow is doing like this. Simple correctopia, straight away pupilloplasty. Why put fake? I will do a pupilloplasty. This enlarge the pupil. Very simple. And
Oh.
No, wait, this fellow. No, I'm not finished. Wait. This Tata Biswas. I told no change. The president-elect also needs change. Because this is utter nonsense. Putting an under-ear ring which is broken. This one happens in Calcutta. Every day it happens. Broken lens, broken under-ear rings. Everything is broken.
Good.
including the RG card.
Thank you very much. So basically, Partha, there is a solution for Dr. Lahane and Mohan Rajan's election. You are out, and both of them are elected. Oh yeah.
Mohan Rajan is out.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, so this program, the awards are sponsored by Ajanta. This award is by BVI, and next, ये सवाल audience के लिए मैं थोड़ा पीछे आ जाता हूँ. ये टोसिस जीनत अमान का तो था. अब बताइए, which IOL design is most stable? ये कुछ लोग कहते हैं, कुछ नहीं कहते हैं. Which is most stable? C. B. Why? Because of उसकी चार टांगे हैं ना शेर की तरह. चलो. It has 4 legs, so that's the answer anyway. Pod design. So thank you very much. Can we go on to the next team, and that is Mumbai Multifocals, our Dr. Ramamurthy. All yours and your team.
So all of us, including the trophy.
80.
That was Dangal for you, and let's now come to Dangal in ophthalmology. I'll be the first one to go, the toric Dangal. Let's see, it has come to stay, and let me take you through some very difficult situations that we face with toric intraocular lenses. Post-radial keratotomy, you can see over here, -4 diopters of astigmatism. And of course, we had to go with the toric intraocular lens. Fairly flat cornea, but a reasonably good cornea with little amount of aberrations. And the formula that you use is the Barrett True K, because the Barrett Toric True K as well as the Barrett Toric calculator does not work. And this is what you see over here. Once the intraocular lens is implanted, the final position of the lens, you can see the radial keratotomy marks, which is done almost 25 years back. These eyes also deserve the best of what we can offer, and this was the result that the patient had. A little amount of hyperopic shift 6 weeks later, but this is also likely to settle down. Now, what about a toric phakic IOL in a keratoconus case, which has already been undergone Intacs and a CXL? Here again, you can see a significant amount of astigmatism. I think we ophthalmologists don't want to leave behind this uncorrected. But the most important thing that you need to notice is that even with the spectacles, his vision was getting corrected to 6/9. It was not a contact lens that was needed. So even though it was a somewhat decentered cone, and you can see it in the posterior float, this is what the patient got. You can see the intact segments over here, a toric intraocular lens implant, and you can see a visual acuity where the toricity was completely taken care of. And you want another difficult situation, a customized toric phakic intraocular lens, post-DAL. My cornea colleague had done an excellent job. You can see a crystal clear cornea 6 months after the surgery, once the sutures are out. But then the results were significantly compromised in both eyes because of almost 7 diopters of astigmatism left over. So what we did in this case, you can see it's a reasonably good bow tie astigmatism that's over there. A customized phakic intraocular lens with 8.5 diopters of astigmatism, and that's exactly what goes in. You can see the dark over here, and basically our approach both to phakic intraocular lenses and toric intraocular lenses is nearly the same. The principles are nearly the same. It's only the age and the quality of the lens that varies. So this is the toric IP seal that has been placed, and subsequently you can see the toric lens over there. And this is what the patient ended up with, no astigmatism that was left over. And if you want a toric presbyopic IPCL exchange with a trifocal toric intraocular lens, toric IPCL placed almost 5 years back. The lens was not the cause, but the lens started opacifying. It was basically a presbyopic phakic toric intraocular lens, but the lens had to come out and we had to replace this with a trifocal toric lens, a panoptic lens. We believe in giving the best of visual acuity irrespective of the challenges, the circumstances that we face. And you can see the lens being expanded very carefully and subsequently a toric intraocular lens being placed. And here again you could get an excellent visual acuity for distance near and intermediate. And this was a big error that was committed, a very large arcuate keratotomy that was left behind. So this patient who had a toric trifocal ended up with a significant astigmatism. You can see a large arcuate that was because of an error of feeding in the data and a plus minus 3.5 diopters of astigmatism. And this toricity will just not go away, though waited for almost 6 months. So what the patient essentially required on top of this lens was a toric piggyback intraocular lens. So irrespective of the kind of astigmatism varieties, we are able to address this quite adequately. You can see the toric phakic intraocular lens, and then that's the visual outcome. Finally, how many of you know that laser arcuates can be combined with toric intraocular lenses? With the patient received a 16.5 with a T3 lens. We threw in a toric arcuates also, so as to fine-tune these outcomes in this patient who underwent a clear lens exchange. And basically you can see this arcuate incisions which is opened up and subsequently a toric intraocular lens. So essentially the idea is to fine-tune outcomes irrespective whether it's a post-radial situation, exchange of a toric IPCL or trifocal torics, piggyback toric for a surgical mishap, or combining toric intraocular lens with arcuate, laser arcuates. That's all from my side, and taking on the mantle is over to you, Rahul, the face behind Center for Sight. Over to you.
Okay, so let me take you back to 29th of June 2024. The place Barbados, 26 from 25. We all know at this point we all lost both. 26 from 25, 6 wickets in hand is something which can be very easily done. So sometimes the surgeon can be in such a situation where everything seems hopeless. But what do you do? Can you actually just give up or do you try? So I'll take you through 4 such cases where the surgeon is stuck in such a situation but does come back. This is a case that had undergone a DSEC 15 years back, and then followed by keratitis which had undergone a perforation. So he was going from pillar to post from different surgeons to have his vision corrected. There was a failure of the graft as well as you can see, there is a coma here. So when the patient came to center side, yes, the re-DSEC was planned, the bill graft was removed, and the DSEC was planned again. You can see the center now still is pretty clear, and through a glide, the graft is injected and a DSEC is done again. A very good outcome for the season patient was 6-12 at the end of 3 months. This is another case where a big boy, 35 years old, came to us with a history of trauma with a ball, and the patient had a loss of vision 6-12 for distance, and the patient has dystrophotopias. So what the plan was to do a single pass post-operative, but since the patient was faking, so we planted and phakic IOL first, and using that as a scaffold, a single glass orthoplasty was done. So you can see how after the plasty is done, we can just remove the phakic IOL and then the orthoplasty is completed. The patient had a round pupil, and at the end of 1 week, the patient was 6-6 unaided without any dysplasia. One more patient came to us with a loss of vision after the patient had a history of cataract surgery, but he was referred to us from a surgeon who said that the patient is being planned for a re-cataract surgery. So we can see that yes, on torsionary the patient seemed to have a white non-diagonal cataract, but a dilation, there was an ossified IOL. The IOL was ossified and stuck to the capsule as well as the posterior capsule. With meticulous viscoelastics, the back IOL was tried separate from the bag of the removed. While the back IOL is still in the bag, we tried to remove the optic junction, and once the optic junction is cut, we tried to cut the opaque IOL to the center. Once half the IOL is cut, it can easily be removed through the brain incision. And once the half IOL is removed, the other half is also removed that way. And after that, you can see how ossified the IOL is, and then you can go and simply place it through this IOL. The patient did very well, the patient had very good vision and was very happy. The last case I'm going to show you had come to us at age 2 of cataract surgery just 2 days prior. The patient was PL, I was accurate and nothing to be seen. Most likely I was red. On treatment you could see a full triple eye fever. AC wash was done, and once we did AC wash, we could see definite blood loss, and also we scan we can see some vitreous hemorrhage. The thoughts were removed and we could see an IOL there, but of course the glow was still not healthy, so we went in with a glow vitrectomy, and there were blood clots which had to be removed. So the patient had basically undergone an ACIOL with rupture. So the ACIOL was explanted and SFIOL was planned. SFIOL was planted, and I think this patient from PL went to 6x6. So yes, we can come out from such situations and come to something like this, where you require just grit, nothing else. So from 26, from 25 to 16, from 6, and now India won the match. Thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful touch of videos. Now for some heart-stopping moments in cataract surgery. Over to Shivani.
Moments in cataract surgery, handling intraoperative surprises. These surprises can occur at every step of the surgery. Incisions, CCC, hydro, phaco, IA and IOL placement.
When there's something strange and the keratome slips, the capsule screams and the MVR hits. Who you gonna call? Oops, busters!
At times the keratome can slip and nick the anterior capsule. Solution to this is to start the rhexis from the same side and engulf the entire nick in the CCC to prevent a rhexis runoff.
We spin the needle and flap goes west. Down comes the news, giving us stress. Who you gonna call? Oops, busters!
An accidental puncture of the anterior capsule can happen while injecting the viscoelastic in the AC. Reform the chamber and start the CCC from the same site of the puncture, go all around and engulf the puncture site.
A tiny rhexis, oh is that bad? Pop comes the sound, what the hell was that? Who you gonna call? Oops, busters!
When a small CCC is created, there is always the fear of a rhexis blowout during hydro procedures. In such cases, to perform in-the-bag phacoemulsification, reduce the bottle height, lower all parameters, observe the flap motility sign in phacoemulsification and in IA. Do not allow the chamber to collapse. Carefully inject the IOL, nudge it into the bag without dialing it to complete the case successfully.
The probe's at work, tricks up its sleeve. Don't go hunting, the water's deep. Taking a dive, it's time to weep. Who you gonna call? Oops, busters!
In a soft cataract, there is a good chance there will be a crater formation. This leads to thinning and you can see a beautiful glow coming through. If the pupil is smaller than the size of the rhexis and there is a crater formation, we can use either hooks, viscodilation or continue struggling. The ideal choice would be to use hooks to get better exposure and perform safe phacoemulsification to prevent any complication.
The eye is tricky, CCC in shreds. Don't pull the tag, steer clear my friend. Who you gonna call? Oops, buster!
During bimanual IA, misdirected fluid causes iris prolapse. So we reposit it, change our hands and direct the irrigation to correct the flow and prevent iris prolapse. This completes the IA successfully.
It flippity flips and sometimes slips. Oops, oh no! The eye's in splits. Who you gonna call? Oops, busters!
During IOL implantation, it may flip. Place viscoelastic to protect the posterior capsule and the cornea. One can flip this IOL and orient the haptics correctly. Then the superior haptic can be dialed into the bag.
Scream, shout, fear no more. Chin up, and so. Who's got your back? Oops, busters!
So hold your wits and grace, cause in the end you'll find your place. Who's gonna fall? Oops, Busters. Who you gonna call? Oops, Busters. Who you gonna call? Oops, Busters.
Oops moments in cataract surgery, handling intraoperative surprises. These surprises can occur at every step of the surgery.
Don't think, just do. This famous quote celebrates the quick decision making and not panicking. Presenting a few such cases which needed quick decision making and creative thinking. So let's celebrate the creativity of the surgical spirit. So looking for a dangling IOL? Dangling SFIOL. So 7 years after the initial sutured SFIOL surgery, the subluxation was noted in this patient. So the closed globe internal refixation was planned in this. So the scleral flap was made, a vitrectomy was done to clear all the vitreous around the lens. A 25 gauge chandelier was put in. Railroading technique, a 9-o-proline is now passed into it. And then the end of that suture is now taken into the vitreous, trying to thread it in the eyelet of the SFIOL in the vitreous cavity, make another 26 gauge small port, and then the suture end is now brought out and it is tied under the flap. Well-centered SFIOL, the patient post-operatively the dangling IOL got fixed, the patient into the fixed part. So this was another case of trauma with one-sided dislocation of the SFIOL, and adding to that the patient also had a epiretinal membrane with stage 4 ERM. So you can see the dangling SFIOL there, vitrectomy was done. BBG was put in to stain the ILM. You can see a very rigid ILM there with the epiretinal proliferation. So we decided to just cut off rather than pulling it, otherwise it will cause a macular hole. And then is now used the irisins to view it and fix that dangling IOL. A 6-0 vicryl was used, a modification of Sergio Calabrava technique. 6-0 vicryl was introduced into the vitreous cavity using a 30 gauge needle. The 6-0 proline was again threaded, was passed through the eyelet of the SFIOL in the vitreous cavity, and slowly, gently, the suture end is slowly brought out. And once we bring it out, need to flange. Make a big flange so that it doesn't slip off through the eyelet of the SFIOL. Check the integrity inside in the vitreous cavity so that it should not slip off, and then finally remove the 30 gauge needle, cut it, flange it. Centered SFIOL, this is the post-op, a very well centered IOL with clear cornea and the patient improving to 6/9 visual acuity.
Just deal.
Let the hope prevail, my dear friends. Let's not lose any of these cases. Let's do the best for our patients. Thank you very much for the kind attention. Thank you.
So पार्था, आपकी होप खत्म हो गई?
सर,
Is it still prevailing?
ये जो
क्या बोलेगा?
बतूर वाले, वो तो अपना आईसी, नम्रता शर्मा ने इनको आईसी नहीं दिया मिट्टा में, तो और एक आईओएल ने आईसी कर दिया, सारे सो गए, सारे सो गए।
I have 2 questions.
और डॉक्टर शिवानी, very beautiful you are.
ओए होए होए, oops, but
ये सारा वीडियोस जो है कोर्ट मार्शल का है, कल कोर्ट मार्शल में आ जाना, सारे को हैंग कर
देखते रहेंगे.
Partha, एक second. I think your term as chairman scientific committee is over. You are giving everybody come to court martial, go take an IC. Huh? Chal, koi nahi. You drink your tea.
For once you said right. For once you said right word.
Okay, fine. Audience, any comments? धर्मेंद्र नाथ जी, आप बड़े चुप बैठे हैं. आगरा का पेठा खिलाएंगे किसको? हरबंस जी कहता आगरा का पेठा हरबंस को खिलाएंगे. ये क्या बात हुई? क्यों, हरबंस से ज्यादा प्यार है? हमें भी खिला दो यार. अच्छा चलो, anyway, till the team is ready, one more question. Okay, all are true about silk eye surgery. Anybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D. Anybody? Except. हाँ जी बोलो. क्या? 2. चलो, good. ये तो बड़ा simple था वैसे. Good. Okay. So all congratulations to you. And this is the last, but not the least, as they say.
Last and the best.
एक और. अच्छा चलो यार. हाँ टाइम पे फिनिश्ड है जी. बताओ आंसर विच मोनोफोकल प्लस है. ये स्पॉन्सर्ड क्वेश्चन है, तेरे को नहीं देंगे. हाँ BVI ये स्पॉन्सर्ड था. चलो एनीवे, ओके स्टार्ट. ये तो कॉमन सेंस था ना. चलो, आर यू रेडी? ओके, 18 minutes प्लीज. वेट 1 मिनट, 18 मिनट कर दो यार.
Dear friends, this is, Delhi Divide and Conquer. Very simple, very scientific, educative. Teachers of tomorrow and today. I'm going to bring you the best out of OPL today. Let me start with my video. Janta Janardhan, judges, this is the video of mine, which is a premiere today. First time shown in the OPL.
First.
Please listen carefully and see the story. A young girl with, significant refractive error, normal anatomy of cornea and antechamber, wanted to go free of glasses, using a very size phakic IOL, which was available those days, one of the best surgery done. And that's being fixed. Wonderful device to correct the high refractive error. Just enjoy the music. 6 vision next day. You can enjoy the life, your quality is improved, you can drive faster. But this is what happened to her and the entire landscape got dislocated. Vision dropped to 2/60 and we had to do a re-surgery for her. Best thing was this could be redone. And I have re-included the haptics, right side. This time it required only 2mm incision for holding the lens. And best part was patient can still have a good quality of life subsequently also. Again, enjoy the life with best character 6 vision for this lady. Almost 20 years down the line, patient had a multiple trauma, multiple injuries. Has this picture now. Totally synechias. You can see total synechia, peripheral as well as central, multiple surgeries causing, limbal stem cell deficiency. You can suture there. Superior you can't attack. So we had to do a in situ phakic IOL phacoemulsification in this case. Innovative technique for us. You can see good specular count. And surgery was well planned in this particular case. It's not moving. Video आगे नहीं जा रहा है. कैसे हो गया?
I think this is had at least 3 or 4 times I had to do this, and I did a surgery under ISUT microscope. You can see in situ phakic IOL. Despite that, multiple hooks to enlarge the pupillary size. You can see IOCT microscope. You can see nice distance from the endothelium to the phakic IOL, and this in fact prevents the damage to the endothelium also. At this stage, after completion, I filled the bag, required the expand series of lens because of high myopia, which is inserted underneath the phakic IOL very effectively. Place the lens, rotate and put it in the bag. Now subsequently remove all the high-risk hooks. You can see I had put 6 hooks to cause a hexagonal visibility of the entire area. Remove the ICL, put 1 suture and get back to normal life. So this is what is the final outcome. Patient still has good vision of 6/6 and black and white to color again. So that is, I think, the best life which is possible. Things change, and now you have a better devices for a future orientation also. Thank you. I think we can go to the next. I think Dr. Chitra Ramamurthy will take us to another dimension of one of the wonderful appearance in or OPL. Dr. Chitra.
So friends, here I'm going to show you something very simple and day to day, and I'm impersonating Mr. Bean here, and you know how traumatized he gets, and these were traumatic cataracts. And I'm just wondering how to do it. I was very anxious, and honestly guys, I just don't know how to swim. I know what happened to me. I just threw into the water, and there was a PCR there, there was no capsule, and well, this was my first case of iris clip, and I just managed to nudge in it, and but it looked as if it was going to be a nudist show finally. Anyway, that was still locked. Lou had 2 more cataracts. I was getting all my eyelids, my CPR, my absolutely ready. Oh my God, what came off? Cataract. But then I see vitreous coming off. And what does that mean? It's not just granular dialysis, but the whole area is granular dialysis. I did immediate things. I just got my cycle across the road as if it was a pedestrian cross. I know I had made a promise earlier. I made my SIPs more. I knew how to lens out with a vectors. And you know all that I know as an iris clip, which I just learned the last days. So I just ensured that I do not on the machines, I know the tags. And I know some moments of confidence. And across the road, you know, I am quite intelligent. I am not that dumb as you think I am. And I'm just putting my iris clip lens in. I understand with a lot more confidence, and absolutely fine, and I suture and I'm done. And I go back to cashless again. I'm tired of myself. I need to go back and swim. Those guys push me into the water. So this was yes, this was coming out well. It was just not the extent. I was very sure I was going to do this case properly. And I wanted to finish this case fast. So very good. And just keep going fast. I really don't know whether we will ever finish this case. So go ahead and do it until you get vaccination are won these days. Thank you.
Thank you, Chitra, for that wonderful series of cases. I'm going to talk to you not about a case, not about many cases, but experience of last 15 years. And this is about combating corneal ankylosis. So you need a clear cornea like this to be able to do all the procedures that you have seen before. But if you have vascularization and vascularization of the cornea, because of any reason like infection, etc., you need to combat it. More so because you would, patient will actually enter into a graft with a 30% chance that it will heal. So there are four sets of ways in which it can be with, and I will teach you all the techniques so that you can actually do these techniques yourself. So this is technique one. We can inject subcutaneous vascular done in this case, and this can be done with camera itself and
Wonderful, Namrata. Terrific. Something new to think about. Now we have our own
आप
Dr.
ना सब
Santosh to
अलग से
take us
एक
to
कागज पे लिख
the
देना
final
टीम
front of
अपनी
winning the OPL.
और रनर्स अप बेस्ट वीडियो साइंटिफिक एकेडमी
सुबह से ना एक आलू बिका है ना ही बिका है आधा कांदा है।
हम करते हैं प्रबंध, आप चिंता मत करिए।
म्यूजिक हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिलबर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी।
What's that?
अपने आप पिछले कागज से वगैरह लिख देना। बेस्ट साइंटिफिक पेपर, रनर्स अप साइंटिफिक पेपर, बेस्ट वीडियो नहीं इंडिविजुअल टीम, पूरी टीम बेस्ट, रनर्स अप टीम और बाकी बेस्ट टीम और रनर अप टीम। ये
This is a large adenoid cystic carcinoma of the lacrimal gland. Periosteal elevation, opening the periorbita.
घर आया मैं आया तुझको लेने, दिल के बदले में दिल का नजराना देने। तेरे घर आया मैं आया तुझको लेने, दिल के बदले में दिल का नजराना देने। मेरी हर धड़कन क्या बोले है सुन 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 सुन। साजन जी घर आए, साजन जी घर आए, दुल्हन क्यों शर्माए, साजन जी घर आए।
That is the completion of treatment, multimodal treatment.
गर्दा उड़ेगा भैया, ये क्या बोले दीजिए।
गुटकू दो कप चाय बना कड़ाक।
पहला जवाब तेरे जलवे हजार, मेरा भी पता है मैं न मानू कभी हार, पर तेरे बिना किक मुझे मिलती नहीं।
Pleomorphic adenoma in a young girl.
और को गोटे तीर धरे सन्नाटे, जब वीर भरे हुंठारे हुण हुण दबंग 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 हुण हुण दबंग 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 दबंग। अरे मन बलवान लागे चट्टान रे। अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी से घबरा गए। भाई टेंशन नहीं लेने का, फुल कॉन्फिडेंस।
तू समहो मेरे जिस मारिया मैं तेरे लिए
भाइयों बहनों, ये था दिल्ली डिवाइड एंड कंकर।
Conquer.
We are the winners.
Yes. Okay. Thank you everyone. आप लोग भी अपना जरा रिफ्रेश कर लीजिएगा because I am going to ask you for the winners. Can all the team members be here? आप मुझे वो दे दीजिए. लास्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज. लास्ट क्वेश्चन. Which ocular condition बताइए impacted the paintings of famous Leonardo? Cataract. Okay. Anybody else? चलो मैं रख लेता हूँ यार. स्क्विंट था उसको. Who? Okay. You haven't advocated Raghav. Okay, sir. Can I have the results from the judges, please? Can I have the team members? I hope you all enjoyed the presentation. So first of all, I'll just go on to the best winner from the audience, best entertaining, and the runners up. So सर आप दे दो पहले मुझे, ताकि हम देख लें आपको पैसे कितने खिलाए गए हैं. कुछ भी नहीं मिला. अभी भी दे दो. दो सर. एनीवे, सो पहले मैं ऑडियंस के पूछ लेता हूं. कैन एनीबडी? दिस इज फॉर द बेस्ट एंटरटेनर. नॉनसेंस जो मोहन राजन प्रेजेंट करता है, नो साइंस. दोज फॉर मनप्रीत, अनगा, मोहन थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ. राघव थोड़ा. नम्रता, नो एंटरटेनिंग. संतोष, आओ जी आगे आओ. एंटरटेनिंग. टिटियाल, चित्रा, नो. राजेश, एंटरटेनिंग है? नहीं. यस, नहीं. हाँ. श्रीनिवास, बारथा, कीर्ति, डॉक्यूमेंट्री, नो. ओके. रामामूर्ति, प्रशांत तुम भी आगे आ जाओ. एंड शिवानी, कम. सो देर आर 4 people who got some yeses. So अब दिल थाम के अपने आप बता दीजिएगा. शाउट मैक्स. क्या? What? No. Oh, यार, are you doing everything? What thing?
Because we were the first team to go. At that time, full audience was there. Many of them are not here.
So what do I do? क्या उनको जेल में बंद करना है मैंने? They are sitting after hearing your nonsense still. So anyway, again, please, those. जल्दी कर रहा हूँ. Sorry, नम्रता का ऑर्डर है. इसको अवार्ड नहीं मिल रहा, इसलिए जल्दी करना है. Okay, those for Prashant, best entertainer. और तो क्या हो गया यार? You get all the shout. You shut up यार. For those for Mohan. Wow. Those for Santosh. संतोष आगे आ जा. Those for Shivani. नहीं बताओ. नहीं. Between the, अब इधर आ जाओ. संतोष is winner, right? Between now runners up Prashant and Mohan. Okay, anyway, sir, Mohan joint कर देते हैं तुम्हें, but that goes to sir judges, please. संतोष आ जाओ. Joint Mohan and प्रशांत. बावन को नहीं. ओके. एनीवे, अब देखते हैं जजेस ने क्या बोला है. ओके, देयर इज 1 vote फॉर शिवानी. आगे आ जाओ. बेस्ट एंटरटेनर. बेस्ट एंटरटेनर 2 शिवानी. बेस्ट एंटरटेनर 3 शिवानी. वाओ. बेस्ट एंटरटेनर मोहन एंड बेस्ट एंटरटेनर मोहन. So Shivani from the judges and Mohan from the. Mohan, इस बार तेरा ना, you have to start working again. वो दे दो यार. Best entertainment Prashant. Mohan, you got 2. Prashant, you got 1. But anyway, दो. ये दे यार, जल्दी दो. ये दे दो. ये लो. Okay, can we have the best scientific presentation now? Best scientific presentation, please. Scientific presentation, Manpreet. अनगा, याद है ICL घुमा रही थी, ये शेर दिखा रही थी, नो? संतोष, पार्था, नम्रता, आ जाओ, कब? राजेश, अभी आ जाओ, अब चित्रा, कीर्ति, चित्रा, हो गया था यार, टिटियाल, और रुक यार, नो साइंस फॉर यू, इज डिस्क्वालीफाइड, टिटियाल, कीर्ति, टिटियाल, आ जाओ, प्रशांत, ओए, श्रीनिवास, नो, राघव, राम, ओके, सो इट इज तीनों आरपी सेंटर के हैं भाई, चीफ को ज्यादा वोट देना। ओके, ओए रुक,
बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट।
चुप, जल्दी कर रहा हूं। ओके, दो तो गौरव के लिए कोई वोट है? किस चीज के लिए? ओके, राजेश, नम्रता, टिटियाल, सो इट गोज टू नम्रता एंड टिटियाल। अरे कमाल है, दे दो यार इधर, जजेस का नहीं, मुझे ऑडियंस का रनर, जजेस का, ऑडियंस का रनर अप दे दो। ओके, फ्रॉम द जजेस दे दो। जजेस के लिए, जजेस आर सेइंग बेस्ट साइंटिफिक वीडियो इज श्रीनिवास जोशी। श्रीनिवास, वाओ, यू ब्राइब द जजेस। संतोष, बेस्ट साइंटिफिक, कम, देन बेस्ट साइंस, संतोष, again Santosh 2 votes, then best scientific Rajesh Sinha 1 vote, then best science Kirti 1 vote, and best science Namrata plus Santosh. So Santosh, aa jao, Santosh and Namrata, I think, right? Yes, Santosh and Namrata, please. Santosh, de do bhai judges ka. And finally for the best team, please, audience, bata to diya Santosh and Namrata. Santosh is the winner, Namrata is the runner-up. You had 1 vote there. Okay, finally, please, those for, this is for team, first team who went was Mohan Rajan's team. No! Wait. अरे दोबारा Mohan Rajan's team. Boo. Okay, second was Ramamurthy's team. Acha, sorry, Kolkata Knight Riders.
Only those people are shouting.
यार, see, he is like राहुल गांधी, ईवी खराब है, ईवीएम खराब है, ये वोटिंग मशीन खराब है ना, सारे खराब है।
Best team, Chennai Capitals.
अच्छा चलो दोबारा पूछ लेते हैं यार। बेस्ट टीम अकॉर्डिंग टू मोहन राजन, नॉट फ्रॉम ईवीएम बट फ्रॉम मैनुअल वोटिंग। ओके, बेस्ट टीम मोहन राजन टीम, 1 2 3 4 5 वोट्स, काउंट देम अगेन। बेस्ट टीम कोलकाता, ज्यादा है ना? ओके, देन वी हैव बेस्ट टीम रामामूर्ति मुंबई, only two, and finally Delhi Divide and Conquer. Okay, so best team, please give the cups also. Best team goes to Delhi Divide and Conquer, runner up Kolkata, please. That is the audience choice. And 1 second, the best team, Titial's team from judge, Partha's team, 1-1 गिन लो, एक 1 पार्था, एक टिटियाल, कुछ नहीं पकड़ लेना। उसके बाद बेस्ट टीम दिल्ली 2, बेस्ट टीम चेन्नई, ओ वाओ चेन्नई, बेस्ट टीम कोलकाता 2, एंड फाइनली बेस्ट टीम कोलकाता। जाओ। सो जजेस चॉइस बेस्ट टीम कोलकाता एंड रनर अप इज दिल्ली। लो जी लो, अरे वो तो दे देना, ये भी दो।
बेस्ट टीम
पता नहीं, ले लो यार। ये देखो रनर अप है, जो भी है देख लो। अरे यार जो है बांट लो, सर दो, ले लो जो भी है, मैंने देखा नहीं है। ये लो, वो दे दो ना बड़ा वाला है। ये ऑडियंस बेस्ट टीम का है. ऑडियंस, ये लो जी ऑडियंस बेस्ट टीम. ये
The next session podium presenters can please come here.
ये लो.
Panel of the next session, please.
चलो भाई एक फोटो ले लो. आ जाओ. कम एवरीवन. आ जाओ. कम. और आप भी आ जाओ. कम.
Panel of the next session, please.
अनगा कम. आ जाओ. 1 सेकेंड. नम्रता. हमने भी 1 मिनट बस. आ जाओ. मोहन, you come in your picture यार. लो जी लो. Hold something. चलो जी. Okay. Thank you everyone for participating and thank you everyone. Yep.
Let's give 3 cheers to Maipal for anchoring.
Good. Thank you. Bye.